Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair DJI RS 4 Pro with Android smartphone. To do this, first you will need to download the DJI Ronin app, and I've made a video on how to download that app, so if you're interested you can find it in the playlist for this device on our channel. Then when you have that app installed, we can open it. Make sure that your DJI RS 4 Pro is actually powered on. You can power it on with that button right here, and it should instantly enter the pairing mode, so that means we can click on connect to gimbal. Also make sure that you select the proper one, and here is the device list. We can click on it, and then input the password. By default it should be from 1 to 8. Then show again. We can adjust the settings at introduction, and there's auto tune. I'm not sure if I want to do that, so let's try to go back. And here's our device properly connected. Of course you can do that introduction step with auto tune if you like. I just skipped it for the purpose of this video, not to make it so long. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.